Just wanted to make a quick video about this. Either crank, spark, no start condition on this 98 Volvo V70. Be the same for the 850s, or at least similar. The relay's in a different spot on the 850s. But the gist of it was cranking, there was spark, but it wasn't starting. My fuel pump was bad, I replaced that. And normally on these cars you'll see on the forums, the fuel pump goes bad, the fuel pump relay goes bad, and the fuel injector relay goes bad. So I replaced all those things and it did not fix anything. I found this post though on the forums that suggested that I look at this connector here down by the battery, this one, right there, yeah. And well, I just fiddled around with it and put it back together, and it fired right up. But I suspect that if I have a no start condition again, it'll be due to this plug coming loose. So take a look at that plug, basically. If you have that problem and the normal stuff doesn't fix it.